In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your passwords in Enpass. By effectively organizing your passwords, you'll streamline access to your accounts and increase your online security, making your digital life a bit more manageable. To get started, open up the Enpass app on your desktop. If you're new to Enpass, it's one of the most secure and user-friendly password managers available that helps you keep track of your ever-growing list of online credentials. It's easy to use and keeps your information safe. Once you've launched Enpass, the next step is to make your way to the Settings menu. You'll find this option usually at the top of the window, where all your other settings like themes and security options are housed. Once there, click on Customize. This section allows you to tailor Enpass to better suit your personal preferences, making your password management as convenient as possible. Moving further, under the Manage heading, you should see a Categories button. Click on this to view and manage the various categories of passwords you may have. This is an invaluable feature for those who like to keep things tidy, since it allows you to sort your passwords into groups like social media, banking, or work for easy access. If you think your information doesn't quite fit into any of the existing categories, you can create a new one by clicking on Add Category. This will allow you to type in a custom name for your category, making organization more logical and personal for you. After you've entered the name, don't forget to hit Save. This action will ensure your new category gets stored within the system, and it will instantly appear on the long list of categories that you can view on the left sidebar. This sidebar is your go-to place for quick navigation through different categories. To further enhance your organization, exploring the Tags feature can be really useful. Scroll down the same left sidebar to find the Tags section. Tags are customizable labels that you can use to cross-categorize items, making it easier to find passwords based on context or feature. Click on the plus icon at the end of tags to add new ones. These tags offer an additional level of sorting that works across categories, creating an interconnected web of searchability. In case you decide to input new entries or items like passwords, simply click on the plus icon right next to the search field in the main menu. Select the type of item you're looking to add. While you're filling out the Add form, remember that near the end of the form, there's a Tags field. This field enables you to include those handy tags you created earlier, further refining how you can filter and retrieve your saved data. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily categorize and tag your passwords in Enpass, making it easier to access and manage them. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing!